In this video, I will show you how to remove the background of an image within Freeform. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. First, we need to open our Freeform project, and then we need to select the image by tapping on it. As you can see, now I have selected the image because I see 4 dots around the image. And now what I need to do on my Mac is I need to go to Layout over here. For me this is in Dutch, but for you it should be in your own language, of course, and then it should be something like Layout, and then go to Image over here, and then go to Remove Background, tap on that, and now as you can see the background of this specific image is removed. Now what I can do is I can rotate this image by holding down Command. As you can see, I can move this around, I can make this bigger, hold down Shift and Command to move it by 45 degrees. As you can see, that is basically it. And that is how you can remove the background of an image within Freeform. It is very easy, very simple, and very straightforward. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.